Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know what is the credit limit on your Barclays credit card and how can you request an increase. So in order to request an increase or to understand what is actually your credit limit, you can go to this link, that is barclaycard.co.uk personal. And here you could go ahead and see how can you change your credit limit. Now you can go ahead and request a change to your current credit limit within Barclays card online servicing by selecting change credit limit and following the instructions on the screen. Apart from it, you could also go ahead and request either an increase or decrease in your credit limit. Just tell them what you like to do with your credit limit to be, and they will be doing their best to accommodate your request. So to do this procedure, you could go and log into your account, and you could also go and press this link if you prefer, or else you could go ahead and talk with the customer service team and they should be able to provide you with the solution. And likewise, if you want to understand what is actually a credit limit, now credit limit is the maximum amount of money in total you can borrow on the credit card at one particular time. An initial amount is set by your provider when you apply for your card, but this can be changed over time, so it's usually based on your individual circumstances and credit scores. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.